car, truck, and motorcycle accidents occur every day in Delaware and Maryland. Some are very serious, but even a minor auto accident can startle you emotionally as well as injure you physically. In this highly emotional state, you may be unsure of what actions to take at the crash scene or in the days following the accident. Here are some tips on what to do at the time of the accident as well as afterwards. At the scene of an accident, there are several things you should do immediately. Stay at the scene of the accident. Exchange contact and insurance information with the other driver. Never admit fault regarding the accident. Call the police. Take pictures of all vehicles involved from various angles. This includes position of the vehicles as well as the location of the accident. Should any witnesses stop at the accident scene, you should get as much information from them as possible, including their name, address, contact number, and email address. If a lawsuit ensues, their input regarding the accident could be important. And finally, seek medical attention. Injuries from an auto accident are not always immediately visible. They can manifest sometime after the accident. Seeing your primary care provider can help in determining the extent of any injuries after an auto accident if you opt to not go to an emergency room. Once you arrive home after the accident, you should document what happened by writing your own description. Depending on the severity of the crash, it is not always possible to remember every detail at the time of the accident. Recording as much as you can remember at home may help later on. Then, contact Shelsby & Leone. We are experienced auto accident attorneys serving Delaware and Maryland. Having a knowledgeable accident attorney on your side will help immensely when going through the post-accident process. This may involve issues such as vehicle repairs, recovering medical expenses, and obtaining financial compensation for lost wages, other losses, and injuries. You will also need to alert your insurance company of the accident. Initially, you will have to provide the insurer with basic information regarding the accident, such as where it occurred, details of any property damage, any injuries sustained, as well as the other driver's information. From there, you'll be contacted by a claims adjuster who will take a statement. When you first meet with your lawyer, it is important to bring the following with you: name and contact information of any other drivers involved in the accident, a copy of the police report, names and contact information of any involved witnesses, any and all accident scene photographs, the insurance claim number, and the name and contact information for your insurance adjuster. With this information, the auto accident attorneys at Shelsby & Leone can investigate your claim. We will be able to determine any compensation sources available, including your own insurance carrier. From there, our auto accident injury attorneys will handle all communications with all insurance companies on your behalf. We will also file a personal injury lawsuit against the other driver or drivers and any other at-fault parties.
Please contact us here at Shelsby & Leone. We look forward to seeking justice for you. We serve all of Delaware, Maryland, including Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Bowie, Dover, Georgetown, Laurel, Newark, Rockville, and Wilmington.